Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here with the Sapphire X screen protector for iPhone 12 Pro Max. This screen protector is made of 99% pure, lab-grown sapphire and provides edge-to-edge screen protection that is virtually unscratchable. Only Diamond can scratch it, making the Sapphire X the world's most scratch-resistant screen protector. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Sapphire X on the iPhone 12 Pro Max and evaluate the results. Also, you can use my affiliate discount code to save 10% on your purchase. Let's get started. Looking at the contents of the box, which by the way is made of very eco-friendly and recyclable packaging, we have an installer, really important for a successful screen protector install. We have not one but two cleaning wipes and not one but two sets of dust removal stickers, and then we have the screen protector itself. So to start off with, you want to be sure to be working in as clean and dust-free environment as possible. If the air conditioning or the heating is on and blowing air around you, you probably want to turn it off. Also make sure you're working in a really well-lit area. So if you have a case on your phone, you want to take that off. If you have a screen protector on your phone, you're also going to have to take that off. Next, you're going to want to make sure that your phone is as clean as possible. As I said, we have two cleaning wipes that are included here. I recommend that you use both of them, and if your phone is really dirty, you might want to clean it with something else first, a soft, damp cloth, and then clean it with both of these wipes. It's really important to get your phone as clean as possible before beginning the installation. Next, use one or more of the included dust removal stickers to remove any remaining dust from your phone. Next, take a look at your installer, verify which is the top and which is the bottom. The top is actually marked top on here. Make sure there's no dust on the installer. You actually might want to wipe it down with your used cleaning wipe, just for good measure, just to make sure that it doesn't have any dust on it that is going to get transferred onto your phone screen in the process. Once you're all set, take the installer and carefully place it down on top of your phone. Once the install frame is in place and prior to putting the screen protector on, you might want to go over one more time with the dust removal sticker just to make sure that no dust has landed on your screen. Now you need to take a look at the screen protector. Note the top and the bottom. Obviously the top is where we have our cutout here for the ear speaker. This is on a hard plastic backplate. You're going to need to peel the screen protector very gently away from the hard plastic backplate, keeping in mind that although sapphire is a very tough material, very scratch resistant, it's also relatively brittle, so you have to be very careful and gentle about this process. But before you peel it off of here, starting at the top, you're going to go down to the bottom and put one of the dust removal stickers down in the bottom corner here. This is going to help if you need to peel the screen protector up after installation in order to remove any dust or fibers that might have snuck in during the installation process. So what you're going to need to do here is you want to take one of these little stickers here and then peel this very gently back. Don't touch the adhesive, and stick this little guy underneath the edge there. Now, dust removal, if necessary, is going to be much easier. So next, you're going to peel away the plastic backplate. Be very careful not to touch the adhesive side of the screen protector with your fingers. You're going to hold on to the sides. Slowly peel this away. Take your time. Next, take the screen protector and lower it very carefully down onto the phone using the sides of the installer as a guide. Make sure that it's correctly positioned and then press down to adhere. Once this is about 80% adhered, you can remove the installer and then continue the installation. Next, you want to check to make sure you don't have any dust or fibers trapped underneath the screen protector. Sadly, I do. I got a little spot over here that I need to remove. Fortunately, I do have this dust removal sticker that is attached conveniently, so I'm going to be able to use that to lift up the screen protector and remove the offending piece of dust. Once you're confident that any dust specks have been removed, you can take off this extra dust removal sticker and finish up your installation. Just lift it up slightly, take it off, and let the rest of the screen protector adhere. So looking at the results of the install, I think everything looks really lovely on here. We really do have an edge-to-edge fit on here. I mean, there is the tiniest of areas that's not covered, but basically edge-to-edge. Super thin. We've got rounded edges on here. Everything looks lovely. Got protection for your notch. I found alignment to be absolutely no problem. The only issue that I had with this install was getting rid of bubbles. It did take me a while to get rid of the bubbles that I had. And the bubbles weren't there the first time. They were only there when I lifted up the screen protector in order to get rid of some dust that had fallen down on the screen. Then when I put the screen protector back down, I had resistant bubbles. It took me quite a while to remove them, just rubbing my fingers and fingernails on that place. Fortunately, with a Sapphire screen protector, you don't have to worry about scratching the screen protector. You can use your nails or whatever, because the only thing harder than this is diamond. Just a lovely screen protector. Everything looks great now. Zero bubbles, zero dust, beautiful sapphire. As far as look and feel is concerned, everything is fantastic. We've got outstanding optical clarity. The screen protector is extremely responsive. Absolutely no issues there. Slippery smooth underneath the fingertips, feels wonderful. Overall, just a lovely screen protector. This also is interesting because it has a slightly cold feel, a little colder feeling than glass. I guess that is a characteristic of sapphire. At any rate, it's an absolute addition to my phone screen. Looks absolutely lovely, and again, adds basically zero thickness to the phone. It's going to fit with many cases, I think, but not all, because of course it's almost all the way to the edge. Let's try it out with a few cases and see how it looks. So putting it on with my CASETiFY case here. Let's check this out. I think we've got a good fit here. Again, we've got just about edge-to-edge protection here. Looks great with this CASETiFY Ultra Impact case. Absolutely beautiful. Let's check it out here with this Mous Limitless 4.0. Looking here at the fit with the Limitless 4.0. I think everything looks good here. Got lots of protection here for your phone screen. Everything looks beautiful. Checking it out here with this OtterBox Symmetry case. With the OtterBox Symmetry, it kind of fits, but I think it's almost just a little bit too close to the edges here. I don't know that I would recommend this with the Symmetry. And with the RhinoShield ModNX in bumper mode, got an absolutely beautiful fit here. No issues. Definitely a win there. Because of its edge-to-edge coverage, the Sapphire X is not going to work with all cases, but I think it's going to work with most. And overall, I think that this is just a really interesting screen protector. It's got truly superior scratch resistance, and I personally love the idea that there's a genuine gemstone protecting my phone screen. If you're the kind of person who gets a screen protector because they hate scratches, and you want a screen protector that's going to look and feel just like your native iPhone screen, then the Sapphire X may be perfect for you. I've had the Sapphire X on my iPhone 12 Pro for the past 3 months and have been very impressed. It has stayed perfectly scratch-free and picks up almost no fingerprints. Just a pleasure to have on my phone. However, if impact protection is your primary concern, then you should probably consider a special impact protective polymer screen protector such as the RhinoShield 3D Impact. The Sapphire X is absolutely fantastic against scratching, but no more resistant against impact than an ordinary tempered glass screen protector. Again, we've been looking at the Sapphire X screen protector for iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's available directly from ShallowRoss.com, and it has an MSRP of $79.99. This is the clear version. There's also a privacy version available, and if you decide to buy one, you can save 10% on your purchase with the affiliate discount code TheTechReviewer. Many thanks to the kind folks at ShallowRoss for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to answer them, and please do consider subscribing to my channel. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.